Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today I have cute cards with butterflies for you. So let's get started. So before I move on to my fall crafts, I wanted to do one more project with these summery, beautiful die cut sheets that are just freshly into my store, and they are called Butterfly Touch by Janine's Art. Those are 3D die cut sheets, so nothing to cut, everything just needs to be pushed out. And these are so beautiful. Look at this. There are 3 embellishments to each of these sheets. So here we have this cactus and of course all the butterflies, because that's what it's called, Butterfly Touch. And then all the different levels that you add to the base image. Here's the second one. I really love those stone hearts. I haven't made a card with this one yet, but I will. I really, this speaks to me. I really like this one. And then up here we have the bird with the butterfly, almost like they're talking to each other. So then you have all these different steps. They're even numbered, so it's not that hard to put them together. And all you do is you need some foam pads in between and you build up your image. And there are 3 sheets in this line. Here is the next one with the pretty dishes, all the butterflies. How cute is this? I really, really like this one here. Here we have the apples. Now the apple season will start in this blue bowl. Really nice. And then the third one, a garden table. How cute is this? So I love Janine's Art, and she really outdid herself. These die cut sheets come from Holland. And here we have this pretty teapot, and of course the matching butterflies. You got the little cakes here, or macarons I think they are called, and then another teacup right here. So I made cards with this sheet, and let's take a look. They came out, I think, pretty nice. So here is my first card, and they are so super easy. You can see I just used a little bit of background paper, a little bit of glitter paper, and then of course the embellishment. And you can see how I layered it, not too high, so it still fits in an envelope nicely. But I just love the image. And this little corner here is a die. So let me show you the die. And here is the die. And it doesn't look like much in this package, but when you see it on the card, it's so pretty. It's also by Janine's Art. It is from the Sensitive Moments. I don't really have a lot of dies in my store because I feel like there's a lot of competition out there. But this one here I bought because I thought it's so versatile. And I'm actually going to make Christmas cards with this one too. So stay tuned for that. But right here for this card, here is this pretty corner piece. And I still have a few cut out for you too. If you're interested in not having the die but the cutouts, I already cut them for you and edited to this little pack here with some pretty papers. So I think I have just a couple remaining. I didn't make many, but I'm gonna link it below if you're interested, if you don't have a die cutting machine or you don't want to get another die. But yeah, here is my first card. And just used my doily. This is a punch that I have use all the time. A little bit of glitter paper, and then just a little thank you or thinking of you. Okay, and then I have this second one. This is with the macaroons. Same thing. I just used a little bit of background paper. The card blanks are from Michaels, and a doily so that these embellishments have somewhere to sit on. And yeah, that's it. Very, very simple. They come together quite quickly. I didn't do anything with the inside. Just a pretty card that you can make in minutes. if you're looking for papers, so the Butterfly Touch, I could not find a matching paper pack. But what I do is when I have these, I go through my stash and see if I have papers. But if you would like to have papers that would match, I found a few that would work. First of all, I got this one here, and this is called, let's see if you can get this here. Okay, so this is the Bellissimo by Paper Mania, and you can see all the colors, and it's also got butterflies and roses. So a pretty paper pack, 6 by 6, that I think it even has 8 foil papers. Look at that. That I think would match very nicely with these die cut sheets. Also, I have the Enchanted Tea Party, and these are also very pretty papers. They are, I believe, are they double-sided? Let me see. Let's look inside really quick. I'm not sure if they are double-sided or not. Yes, they are. So these are double-sided papers, and they would also work very well. I mean, if you look at the teapot, you have some really nice papers here that you can also match. And then the third one I thought would work very well is our With Love paper pad by Prima. And there are a few in there that will also work well. So for example, let's just take a look. See, this teacup would probably work nicely. I found, I mean, these are really pretty papers, but see how the green and the pinks would work well. So I just gonna list these below in case you are looking for matching paper. That was a customer request to always have some matching papers when I show my die cut sheets, and these are the ones that I have found. And here is my last card, and this is this beautiful teapot and the teacup, and I used 2 different blue glitter papers just to make it extra festive. And you can see how I keep using my doilies because they're so easy, but I think it looks so nice. Okay. So here I have a short edit. I did find the matching paper stack for the Butterfly Touch. This is a 6 by 6 paper pack, and there are 23 sheets double-sided, and I just want to give you a very quick flip through these beautiful pages. And of course it is always nice to have matching papers. And all these pretty papers have, of course, the butterflies, and they're in there 3 times. So you have plenty of paper to work with that go perfectly with the die cut sheets. And of course also once the die cut sheets are done, you can use these papers because they're pretty neutral. You see these pretty butterflies. They work with all other flowers and butterflies. So I have these in my shop. I hope you liked these 3 cards I created. I know this was a very short video, but I still appreciate that you watched it. I'm gonna upload a second video this week, so check for it. Because this was so short, I thought I'm gonna just give you one more, and then we will move right into fall crafts. Hopefully before I go on vacation, I will introduce to you all my fall crafts, and then we're gonna start Christmas crafts right around mid-October, because I hope that I will be able to go for 3 weeks on vacation, and those weeks I won't be available. But thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please give me a thumbs up, share this video if you can, leave me a comment. I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye.